Okay, let's start with AI and semiconductor stocks. They have been among the market's biggest leaders. How has that momentum influenced TRFM's portfolio, and what role have those trends played in overall performance?
Before we get into the specific impacts of these stocks on the AAM Transformers ETF, I think it's important that we take a step back and we actually highlight what's actually unfolding in the world of AI, and more specifically, AI spend. There's no doubt, there's no denying that, I should say, that the age of AI is here, and it is transformational. You know, we're all talking about the Mag 7 and chip stocks, but what is starting to happen is that the beneficiaries of the AI investment now go way beyond chips. So if you think about it, the AI spend for 2026 is nearly $850 billion. That's this year alone. That's 35% higher than the estimates at the beginning of the year. And that figure is projected to reach nearly 1.2 trillion by 2028. That's massive. That's huge. That's nearly 3% of GDP. The opportunity around AI has the potential to be one of the largest global investment themes of our time. And we think we have a great solution. That would be the AAM Transformers ETF, ticker TRFM, to capitalize on this. If we look at what TRFM, for your viewers who may not be familiar with the ETF, it's a rules-based ETF whose underlying index is really structurally designed with screens emphasizing R&D as well as sales and CapEx growth. Now, the goal with this strategy and the underlying index is to capture disruptive technology trends. And you may say, well, that's not an AI specific ETF, and you are absolutely correct. But the underlying index methodology is naturally pulling in a lot of AI and semiconductor adjacent businesses, such as advanced micro devices, NVIDIA, Micron, Lam Research, Seagate, and many, many others. Importantly, though, TRFM's benefit from AI doesn't exclusively come from chip exposure. TRFM, because of the underlying index methodology, it's positioned extremely well across the broader AI infrastructure stacks. And that diversification has really been very, very important to capitalize on this trade. As a result, I'm happy to report that TRFM is a 5-star rated ETF by Morningstar. So again, we think Transformers is a very interesting ETF to allow investors to capitalize on the growth and the trajectory of the AI trade going forward.